welcome back to another episode of Stay at Home Blues and Oranges, brought to you by After School All Stars. My name is Miss Kino and I am a program leader at Washington Middle School. If you're new here, don't forget to follow, like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you don't miss any of our new videos. Follow us at All Stars Hawaii on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. In today's video, we'll be learning how to play Hello by Adele in the style of Victor J. Sefo. All you'll need is your guitars and your beautiful voices, and if you'd like to jot down the chords for today, a paper and pencil. If you don't have a guitar, that's alright. You can always just sing along with us. That was a rendition by Victor J. Sefo of the song Hello. Musical term, a rendition is a remake or an interpretation of a musical piece or performance. What this artist did was he kind of kept the original, but he made it his own and he added a little islander flair to it. So we're going to start off by learning the simplest way to play this song on the guitar. We're going to start off with E minor. So E minor is your pointer on the 5th string, 2nd fret, and your middle finger right under that on the 4th string, 2nd fret. It's gonna sound like this. After E minor, we're gonna go into F, which is middle finger, 3rd fret on the 6th string, pointer on the 5th string of the 2nd fret, ring finger on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and pinky right under that on the same fret, 3rd fret, on this 1st string. After F, we're going to go into G, which is middle finger, 1st string, 2nd fret, pointer, 3rd string, 2nd fret, and ring finger, 2nd string, 3rd fret. And then we're going to finish off with our C chord, which looks kind of like stairs. So it's going to be pointer on the 2nd string, 1st fret, middle on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and our ring finger on the 5th string of the 3rd fret. So that is the entire song in 4 simple chords. Since the song is really slow, I just like to play that one strum throughout the verse. So. And when the chorus hits, you can kind of change it up with a down, up, chuck, down. So it sounds like this. And that is the entire song in 4 chords. Alright, so we're going to be learning the rendition now, which is a lot harder than the original. So we're going to be playing barre chords. So you need your thumb on the neck of the guitar for that support. So first barre chord we're going to learn is C sharp minor. So that's on the 4th fret here. We're barring. And we have our middle on the 2nd string of the 5th fret. And then we have our ring finger on the 4th string of the 6th fret. And pinky right under that on the 3rd string of that same fret, 6th fret. So we're gonna be muffling this. So we're not gonna press fully down, and we're gonna play the 4th string, 3rd string, 2nd string, 1st string, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. One more time. 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. So after we muffle that, we're going to now press down on the string so that you can hear every string that you play. So we're going to pluck it in this order. 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. 6, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright? So after that, we're going to go into our next chord, which is A. So on the 5th fret, you're barring now. And middle is on the 6th fret of the 3rd string. Then we have our ring on the on this fret, which is a 7th fret of the 5th and the 4th strings. So we're just going to give that one strum. I like to play with these 2 fingers since I'm already plucking with it. Okay, so we go from here into this. Alright, after that A, we're going to go into our E chord. So this one is on the 7th fret, and what I'm going to do is place my middle finger on the 4th string of the 9th fret, my ring finger on the 3rd string 9th fret, and pinky on the 2nd string 9th fret. So 7th fret is barred, and all of these keys are in the 9th fret on this side. So you can play like this, or you can play it like this, with your ring finger covering those 3. We're going to use that same plucking pattern. So 6, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3. 6, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to go into our last chord, which is B. So B is on the same fret, but we're going to take our middle finger and place it on the 3rd string of the 8th fret, and then ring finger is on the 4th string 9th fret, and pinky under that on the 3rd string of the 9th fret. Now we're just going to give that one strum. So from the E into the B. So after that, we're going to go back to our first chord, which was C sharp minor. So we're going to skip the muffling. That happens only in the beginning. And we're going to go on to the 6, 4, 1, 2, 3. 6, 4, 1, 2, 3. And we're going to go up to our A with the 1 pluck. And then this is where I'm going to teach you guys hammering. So we're here on the A. I like to bring my ring finger down and release my pinky just so this is easier. And we are going to be hammering the 2nd string. So you're going to play the 2nd string, let it ring, and while it's ringing, you're going to hammer down with your pinky. So it's going to sound like this. Okay, you're going to play that once, then you're going to pluck the 1st string, and you're going to hammer again on the 2nd. Play the 1st string again. You're going to play the 2nd string again, and then you're going to play the 3rd string. All together, it should sound like this. After that, we're going to move on to our E. And we're going to do the same 6, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3. And to B. And this is that last part. We're going to pluck our 6th string on the 7th fret. Same string on the 9th fret. So 7, 9 on the 6th. And then we're going to move down to our 5th string. We're going to play 7, 9. And then we're going to move down to this 4th string. We're going to play that 9th fret. So it should sound like. So from the second part, it should sound like this. Sorry. I hope you guys were able to follow along with me. I know that learning the guitar can be a little difficult, but we can all improve with more practice. I wish I could jam out with you guys in person, but till then, I wish you guys good health, mentally, physically, and emotionally. Thank you for watching and being a part of our All-Star Ohana. Please share what you liked about this video in the comments and what you guys would like to see next. Mahalo.